What's up everybody? Welcome to a brand new episode of SHOEGR Academy. It's your boy Mojo aka SHOEGR Daddy. और आज हमारे साथ हैं Adidas Forum Low, one of the most iconic shoe, and I know this shoe from Run DMC. These shoes are not very messed up, but yeah, they've seen better days. I can see a lot of dirt and grime on the midsoles. This shoe has a suede and a mesh combination. थोड़ी सी मुश्किल होगी mesh को साफ करने में, but we're gonna try our best. Other than this, the bottoms look normal. The uppers are a little dirty, so I guess there is no time to waste and get down to the business. Now I'm gonna keep the right shoe aside so that we can see the difference later and work on the left side. So the plan is we will start from the uppers, then we will go to the mids, and at the end we will work on the bottoms. Before getting down to business, we will remove the laces. Alright, the laces are out. Let me tell you what all kits we will be using. So we will be using Ultimate Kit and Suede Kit only if needed. So I'm gonna start with our solution, and before pouring the solution, I would always recommend do dry brush. So I will take our soft brush and do a dry rubbing all across the shoe. Alright, the dry brush did the 20% of my work already. So let's get our collapsible bowl ready and pour only 200 ml of water in this. And now we will take our SHOEGR Magic potion. Only 3 squirts, 1, 2, 3. And that's it. We will take the soft brush and dip it in the solution and start working on the uppers. Now let's use our microfiber to just remove it. If I use a hard brush or a medium brush, I might just damage the mesh. So that is the reason I'm using the soft brush on the tongue. I am pretty satisfied with the uppers, but we have little suede part जो थोड़ा सा गंदा लग रहा है मुझे पीछे से. So I'm gonna be working on that, and I have to be working very gently on suede because I do not want to damage it. We will use the same brush, soft. We'll dip it, but हम बहुत ज़्यादा पानी भी नहीं रखेंगे brush में. We'll try to have minimum water in the brush. Now we will not rub it with the microfiber, we will just dab it. We will see the real results when the suede is dried. It's a little wet, so you cannot see actually if it is cleaned or not. One more thing, you should not forget the inside of your shoe. It's always necessary that you should clean it. Also, अगर आपके shoe में insole हैं और वो removable हैं, then it's better that you should remove them and then clean it. But this shoe, we cannot remove it, so we will be cleaning it as it is. So now let's get down to the mids, and for the mids, since it's a rubber sole, we would be using our medium brush. Alright guys, I am happy with this outcome. Tell us in the comments as well, how do you like the mids now? So now let's get down to the bottoms, and for the bottoms, we got the hard brush. Hard brush for those hard stains. And let's dip it right there and work on it. There you go, guys. Even the bottoms are back to life. There you go, guys. The shoe looks amazing. Now, where we take the laces and dip it inside the solution and water. All right, you take it out from the solution and then you rub it. And we will take our microfiber towel. There you go, guys. Just like brand new. And now for the suede, as you can see, it is still a little wet and the nap is there. I can still feel it. But we will have to air dry it for a while so that we can actually see the difference, and then we will get to know if we should be using the Suede Care Kit or not. So let's just keep it here for a while and let it air dry.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so the shoe is dry. There are few areas which are looking little black. So definitely I would be using our Suede Care Kit on this. And first of all, we will be using the eraser so that we can remove those marks. Now it's time that we use our suede brush. Alright guys, the shoe is ready to be rocked again. Let me show you where were we and now where we are. There you go, guys. And you can see the suede, how dirty it was, and now how clean it looks. So if you also feel inspired from this video, you should also start cleaning up your shoes. Don't forget to use the code FORUM15 to get 15% off on our website, which is www.shoegr.com. Drop your comments and let us know what you feel about this video, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to love your shoes. Let's go!